Hey everyone, if you want to get more done without spending all day staring at a screen, ElevenReader can be a great productivity tool. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use it to listen to documents, articles, and notes while staying organized throughout your day. First, open the ElevenReader app or website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account so you can upload and manage your reading materials. Next, upload the documents you want to work through. This could include meeting notes, research papers, reports, articles, PDFs, or other supported files. Depending on your version of ElevenReader, you may also be able to paste text directly into the app. Once your files are uploaded, keep them organized in your library. Having your important documents in one place makes it much easier to find what you need and continue listening later. Open a document and press the play button to start listening. This lets you review information while doing other tasks, whether you're answering emails, taking a walk, or commuting. Choose an AI voice you enjoy and adjust the playback speed to fit your workflow. So slower speeds are helpful for detailed reports, while faster speeds can make reviewing familiar content much more efficient. To get the most from ElevenReader, make listening part of your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each day reviewing important documents, catching up on articles, or preparing for upcoming meetings using AI narration. And that's how you can use ElevenReader to boost your productivity. I mean, by turning reading into listening, you can make better use of your time throughout the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.